Hello and welcome to the cloud computing introductory part. So first of all, we know that what is meant by the cloud computing. Cloud computing can be simply described as a process of storing, managing, and accessing data from the internet rather than on a local server or a personal computers. There are the variety of an importance of a cloud computing which lies in the many benefit that this process offers the scalability, saving costs, disaster recovery, security, flexibility. The main characteristics of a cloud computing are on-demand service or the on-demand self-service, okay, in which the cloud computing services does not require any human administration. Users themselves are able to provision, monitor, and manage the computing resources as needed. Then the second characteristics of a cloud computing is nothing but the broad network access. The computing services are generally provided over the standard network and heterogeneous devices. Okay. So the another third characteristics of cloud computing is nothing but the computing services should have the IT resources that are able to scale our and in quickly and on as needed basis. Wherever the user requires the services, it is provided to him and it is scaled out as soon as the requirement gets over. The one of the another characteristics of cloud computing is nothing but the resource pooling. So the resource pooling is nothing but the IT resources like a network, server, storage, applications, and the services present are shared across multiple applications and the occupant in an uncommitted manner. Multiple clients are provided services from a same physical resources. Okay. The another characteristics of a cloud computing is nothing but the measured services. So the resource utilization is tracked for each application and occupant. It will provide both the user and the resource provider with the account of what been used. This is done for the various reasons like in a monitoring, billing, and effective use of resources. The another characteristics of a cloud computing is nothing but the multi-tenancy. So cloud computing provides can support the multiple tenants, user or the organization on a single set of shared resources. So these are the characteristics of a cloud computing. One of the another characteristics of a cloud computing is nothing but the virtualization, where the cloud computing provides the use of a virtualization technology to abstract the underlying hardware resources and present them as a logical resources to the users. Yeah.